In this video, I'll show you how to accept gifts on Steam. If someone has sent you a gift on Steam, there are two easy ways to accept it. The first method is through your email. When someone sends you a Steam gift, you'll receive an email notification. Open the email and click the Accept Gift button to continue. You can also accept the gift directly from the Steam app. Open the Steam client and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, hover over your username at the top of the window and select Inventory. In your inventory, click the More tab and select Pending Gift. Here, you'll see any gifts that have been sent to your account. Select the gift you want to accept, then click Accept Gift. Next, choose Add to My Library to add the game to your Steam account. Once the process is complete, the game will appear in your library, where you can download and install it whenever you're ready to play. And that's how you can accept gifts on Steam.